How's it going, everybody? So we're doing a trade recap today. I had a fantastic trade on SMCI. All-time high and absolutely ripped. I only got a piece of it because I'm a scalper. You should all know that by now. But it had a heck of a move through all-time high. So I'm going to go over that. And the format's going to be a little different. It's live trading. You're going to see me talking on the mic to the individuals in my Discord community while I'm executing the trade. So I think that that's going to be great because the style is a little different. But I ended up taking 360 calls, only 3 of them, got a fill price at $14.10, and a little over 4 minutes later, because I'm a short-term trader, had a big rip, sold all 3 at $18.40 for a very nice trade. And I got to say that I am very happy that I started a Discord because it's awesome to be able to trade with others. I know that it's something that I thought about doing for a long time, and I just never really wanted to do it. I finally decided to do it, and it's been great. My consistency has been a lot better because there's the pressure of knowing that there are people kind of watching you trade. So you got to do the right thing, position size, make sure that I'm keeping it pretty small, the stop's tight, doing everything the right way. It just kind of elevates your performance. So in a selfish way, it's been fantastic for me. And I know that everybody is learning just from me being on the mic. And I know that I did get some questions. I am on the mic 15 minutes before the open, and I stay on the mic until about an hour and a half to 2 hours in the morning. And I'm doing live voice trading. I'm talking about what I'm looking at, why I'm looking at it, and then also when I'm taking trades, getting in and getting out, I'm doing everything live on voice. And it's been fantastic. I'm having a really good time being a part of the community and building this. So if you're at all interested in joining the trading community, it's called the Alpha Academy. There is going to be a link in the description below. Now to go over the technicals. The technicals on this were pretty awesome. And as far as how I found this stock, this was a stock that I was looking at a long time ago, just going through some daily charts. Also, as far as the pre-market movers on Thinkorswim and Lightspeed, both brokers, it was on there because it reported earnings. It had a catalyst, so it was trading on elevated volume. So it came up on both those pre-market screeners. And then when I just flipped over to the daily chart, keeping it pretty simple, it had a push into all-time high, failed pretty aggressively, pulled back to 310, held some of the moving averages, and then it did have a major gap up higher in the pre-market, and it was trading close to that all-time high, 357.99. And I know that I've talked about this a lot of times before. When stocks, first off, have a news catalyst, I'm always going to want to watch them because there's the potential for clean moves. And when they're trading at all-time highs or all-time lows, that is a technical catalyst. So I want to make sure to watch that as well. So there was a lot of catalysts that were leaning to the upside on this. And then as far as the open, we had a little bit of a pullback. This is a 2-minute chart. We had a pullback down to pre-market low, held pre-market low, and then look at this next candle. That is an insane candle to the upside, pushed through pre-market high, and then when it got above pre-market high, knowing that all-time high was above. So even though there was not a pattern here, this was a major technical level that I was willing to give a chance through that, because if we make the new all-time high and we hold it, there was the chance for continuation, and that's exactly what happened. Cleared out the 358. We did do a little break and retest. I actually held through this red candle, and you'll see in the video, break and retest of all-time high, and then once we ended up clearing out and making a new high a day, I ended up just taking profits. Yes, this ran an unbelievable amount after the fact, but you got to realize these options were very volatile. They were very spready, so I knew that I was taking on spread risk. So when I got a $4 move on the contracts, for me, that was just a good spot to take it. Sure, had I held, it would have been a bigger winner, but these option spreads really opened up at times. So I felt like, especially being on a Friday, I got that nice move. I'm just going to take it, book those profits, and then be done trading for a nice one and done day on a Friday. So that was all the technicals and the why. Now the next video is going to be the live trading, so I hope you enjoy it. SMCI, huge move off the lows. Problem with SMCI is these options are crazy spready. Wow. Very, very spready. They got almost a $2 spread on these options. This SMCI is coming into pre-market high, so it'll be interesting to see how it reacts here and if these options tighten up a little bit. The 355s, the 360s aren't terrible, but still pretty spready. Just see. AMD, nice pre-market low hold so far. Tesla's just strong push. Yeah, we got coin, little break and retest of 124. NVIDIA now holding that 575 area. You know what I'm going to do? I'm taking three SMCI contracts because they're very spready, but it's at that all-time high. I'll take 3 of them. All-time high. This thing could go. Only 3. Very small. I took the 360s. This could dance around up there, but 358 is an all-time high. And that is a huge move off the lows. Now it's blue sky territory above. I mean, this is a heck of a move. Look at that rip. That's unreal. Unreal move. So now if 358 holds, big area of support, that is a huge move off the lows. Now you got SPY pulling back a little bit. High day is 364.99. See if this SMCI can do a push through 365. Options are very spready. They open up pretty aggressively at times. This thing is very, very volatile. So did a little break and retest of all-time high. See if this thing can potentially put in maybe a little bull flag for continuation. High days 365. Come on, SMCI. Nice break and retest of all-time high. Wow, look at that SMCI move. All right. I'll take that little pop through new high day. That was a heck of a move. That was a heck of a move on SMCI. This thing could go, but these contracts are very volatile. I only took 3. My day's done. Day's done. One and done. That's my day. Thanks, SMCI. Good to go. One and done day.